2023 GMC Terrain. With less than 42,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Find your dream car and drive it home today.